Hi and welcome to Beardchanics garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on the tail light of a Renault Modus. Open the boot, locate this little trapdoor, open it up, I put a light in there, and then this here, you grab that with your hand and turn it anti-clockwise to basically unscrew it. There we go. Don't lose it. Now you just pull. This part come up first, and then there is another clip on this side as well. There we go. Obviously they are connected. On the connector it's easy, just press at the top and pull up. Sorry, I'm just trying. It's easier if you've got two hands. There we go. Comes a lot easier than it seems, just because I'm holding the camera at the same time. Now we've got all the unit out, and as we can see here and here, we've got a couple of clips. And here you go. You've got access to all of your bulb, and then they are easy as turn on, put in and turn. What I would recommend you do, because depending on the model you have, is either look for the reference or order some online, or go in a shop. Like in England we've got Halfords. You just give them the bulb, you say, oh, I want a replacement for that, and they will just give you the right one. And yeah, so basically when you've got your new bulb, just like I've done, you take the old one out, dispose of it in the bin, put the other one back on, and then it's the same in reverse. Plug it back in. As you can see, you basically want to align those with the hole in the car. Naturally wants to go there. There we go. Push it back into place, and now we can go back in and simply screw it back, and obviously make it tight. And that's it, guys. As you've seen, a very easy job. No point paying somebody to do that. Subscribe, like, and yeah, check the channel out. If it's your first time here, we do a lot more exciting stuff like that, but we do try to be useful too. See ya!